Hey everybody, welcome back to ConductorPlugin.com. My name is Matt and I'm here with another demonstration today of using Conductor, this time with the dynamic theme framework made by the folks over at Cobalt Apps.com. And I want to just show you what the differences are between the two, how they can be used together for a very powerful solution. We have a lot of folks that are customers of Conductor that use Dynamik, and we have a lot of folks who are interested in using Conductor coming over from Dynamik saying, how can I use both of these tools combined to make for a very powerful solution for building out sites? So first, let's go over the primary differences of Conductor versus Dynamik. Now, I'm already in the customizer of my demo site. We're going to take a look at the Conductor layouts. Now, Conductor layouts operate on a page by page basis, right? So we're affecting things like the front page, any post, any category archive page, any single page, any custom post type page, anything like that. We're going to say, create this layout on that page, right? Whereas Dynamik is going to say things to you like, let's choose a layout for the entire site, right? So we're going to say things like content and primary sidebar and content, which are very similar options. And you can drill this down further, and I'm not going to get into that about Dynamik, but just the quick overview differences. So what does that look like? Well, we have content and primary sidebar already selected. Here's our content. Here's our primary sidebar. If we do this with Conductor, same thing, content and primary sidebar. What you can see here is Conductor overrides the entire layout for Dynamik in this scenario, right? So you're just going to use Conductor this way, and you're going to say, I don't need any of the Dynamik layout options on this page. I'm strictly going to use Conductor, and you can do that, and then you can build your site or this particular page with any Conductor widget or general WordPress widget that you want. So if you are using these combined, you just have to ask yourself the question, what am I doing here? Is this a quick product page that I'm building for like WooCommerce? Is this a home page that I want to quickly create this layout on? Or do I want to say, you know what, I'm not going to use Conductor for the layout. I'm going to stick with using Dynamik for the layout. We'll just switch this to full width content. I'm going to stick with using Dynamik as the layout, but I want to be able to inject Conductor in different places and just use the Conductor widget. Just so you know, 90% of the power of Conductor actually comes from within the widget. So let's just save that for a quick second. And I just switched that to full width. So let's go to the back end. We're going to take a look at setting up using Conductor with Dynamik the best way possible, right? So